Hi guys, welcome to TNM Imagination channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make yum yum sauce. Everybody got confused yum yum sauce and spicy mayo sauce. So today I'm gonna show you how to make yum yum sauce. Okay, so we're gonna need on the yum yum sauce. We're gonna need mayo. We're gonna need ketchup and also butter and sugar and a little bit of the paprika. Okay, so let's start it. First, we're gonna need 1 cup of the mayonnaise. 1 cup of. I'm gonna use 1 stick of the butter. So we're gonna add the melted butter. The whole stick. I use the whole stick. And we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of the sugar and 1 teaspoon of the paprika. And we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of the ketchup. Alright, and then we're gonna mix it. Nice texture. Look at this. Okay, after you mix this, you mix them well. It will turn like this. It will be like perfect thickness. It is not thin, it's not thick. It's perfect. We're gonna taste it. Gonna taste it. Okay. Oh, really good, really good. Sweet and sour and buttery, of course, from butter, and also the mayonnaise is pretty good. Awesome, awesome. It's really good. All right, so we're gonna pour in the squeeze bottle. Look at this. Perfect. Look at this. This is awesome. Guys, try it at home. You're gonna like it. So very simple and very good. You just need sugar, mayonnaise, a little bit ketchup, and a little bit butter, and some paprika. So we got a nice color. Alright guys, try it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Thank you very much.